This very early photo shows part of the first furnaces to be built in Ebbw Vale, and were constructed in 1790. Here, iron would be produced and loaded onto trains to be sent around the country and the world as industry rapidly increases during the period known as the Industrial Revolution. To the right of the picture is a fancy gate and 2 stone pillars. This was the entrance to the ironmaster's house. The ironmaster was the person who owned the furnaces. By building his house next to them, he could keep a close eye on his business. However, that doesn't mean he would want to see the furnaces from his large house, so he would hide them behind the large trees you see here. Today, the furnaces are long gone and the area has been totally redeveloped. The oldest part of the furnaces in the wall still exists today, but where the rest of the works once stood, now only modern houses remain. Even the ironmaster's house no longer stands. Unbelievably, the one thing that does remain is a stone pillar on the ironmaster's garden wall, and the tree line that is on the right-hand side of the photo that still blocks the view across the road.